Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Samsung SmartThings automations to another account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the SmartThings app on your mobile device. Log into the account from which you want to transfer the automations. Navigate to the Automations tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the automation you wish to transfer. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner to access more options. Choose Edit from the drop-down menu. Take note of all settings and devices associated with this automation. Manually record the name, triggers, and actions for reference. Exit the automation screen once you have all the details noted. Log out of your current Samsung SmartThings account. Now, log into the destination account where you want to transfer the automation. Once logged in, go to the Automations tab. Tap the Add Automation button to create a new automation. Enter the name of the automation as noted earlier. Set up the triggers based on your recorded information. Now, scroll down to set the desired actions for the automation. Ensure all devices match those you previously noted. After confirming everything is correct, tap Save to finalize the new automation. Review the automation list to ensure it appears correctly in the new account. You have successfully transferred your SmartThings automation to another account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.